nigga shit. I drop 30 on this room, we ain't gon' sleep for shit. If I catch you knocking off, then it's gon' be some shit. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die.
Welcome back to my channel. Hearts is the hearting, is the hearting. Okay, great. So it's like 1 o'clock in the morning. I wish I was kidding. Girl, can you see that? There we go. It's like 1 o'clock in the morning. So I was in the process of I'm getting ready to prep these wigs, whatever, for these next couple of promotions that I have. Please excuse my dishwasher. She's real disrespectful. But the dishes need to be clean. But I'm getting ready to prep like a couple weeks where for the next couple of promotions I have to do, so I can just slap the wig on and get to doing what I need to do. So before I get to doing all of that, I wanted to show you the wig that we have for today's video. Hold on, hold on. Today's video is sponsored by Beauty Forever Hair. Yes ma'am, yes ma'am. And they sent me this, how long is this? This is a 24-inch 13x4 transparent, you know, full lace wig, and it's kinky. Okay, it's 24 inches, it's kinky straight. I don't know why it took me so long to read that. That's actually kind of embarrassing. But they gave me this 24-inch kinky straight wig, so let's pull her out real quick. Fresh out the pack. I ain't even looked at it yet. Still got the lunch lady hairnet on, but this is how she's looking. This is how she's looking. Unpack. Shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. Yes, ma'am. Oh, she's thick. She is thick. She's giving the girls thick. She's giving the girls, oh my God, it's Megan Thee Stallion. Megan. You know what I'm saying? Here's the lace. You know, it's au naturel. I actually really like wigs like this because it actually looks like my natural hair. If my natural hair was straight, it's not. But if it was, it would look like this. Plus my hair is really thick, so I just feel like whenever I do wear wigs like this, it do look closer to my hair. And you know, the way I be laying the lace down, people like, oh my God, is that your hair? Like what is it? Like, how do you grow your hair like that? And I just be like, girl, blue magic, that's it. But yeah, this is the wig. This is really nice. Oh, I'm excited. I'm gonna put this in tomorrow, but today I'm gonna bleach the nostrils like that. Off camera, of course, because I have other wigs I have to do, but they gave me lashes. Is this lipstick? Hold on. Wig cap, lashes, elastic band. This looks like lipstick, and it's not lipstick. What's this? Don't tell me this isn't cool. You can't sit here and lie to me. Don't sit here and lie like, oh, Anya, that was lame. You're lame. This was cool. I thought it was lipstick. Oh shoot. That's cool. That's about it. I'm going to bleach his hair and stuff off camera, and when you guys see me, it will be tomorrow. Possibly, or the next day. I don't know. The way my life is set up and the way my mental health is set up, I'll see you when I put the wig on. Thank you. I'll see you later. You have a nice day. Goodbye. Bye. Oh, real quick, the link to the hair and all the information and details about it will be in the description box below. Now I'm leaving. Okay, I'm gone for real this time. Okay, bye. Bye.
These days, oh my, niggas be blasting. Living in the middle, this shit might drive you mad. Feeling pretty mixed up, but this life shit ain't all bad. Bloody, bloody murder, there ain't no second chances. Well, you can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die. You can do what you wanna, live how you wanna, spin what you wanna, be who you wanna be. Well, I'm stunner till I die.
Cause she loves me so, and this I know for sure. But does she really wanna, but can't stand to see me walk out the door. Don't try to fight the feeling, cause the thought alone is killing me right now. Thank God for mom and dad for sticking together, cause we don't know how. Just don't get it if there's nothing at all. We've been together, oh, we've been together, but separate's always better when there's feelings involved. It's what they say is nothing is forever. Then what makes love exception? So why
done with my hair. It's like hours later. It's like 3 a.m. now because I had to go do some stuff. I had to go handle my business. But yeah. Yeah, so this is a 24-inch kinky straight wig. You know what I'm saying? It's soft. Nice, plush, soft. And to be honest, I really like kinky straight wigs because, like, you see, the edges like that are normally really natural. Of course, I plucked it and stuff like that, but the edges are really natural. And to be honest, it looks like it came, like it, this looks like it could be like my hair. Straight out the scalpiana. So, these are like the most natural kind of way that you, like, that I've used or whatever. So, if you're going for like that super natural blowout kind of look, this is it. This is it. It's thick too, and y'all know my head is big, so made my head look a little smaller. But yeah. Anyway, so this hair is from Beauty Forever Hair, and of course, all the details and everything will be linked in the description box below. So, you know, go ahead and get you a nice, cute, kinky, straight wig, so we can be twinning them. We twinning. Yeah, that just about wraps today's video. Don't forget to create your own happiness, and I will see you the next time I decide to do my hair with y'all again, per usual. Yeah, I know. Bye, I love you.